Okay, we are on the 1.4 practice, so segments and angle bisector practice. Let's go ahead and tackle number 1. It says point M is the midpoint of AB. So M is basically half way between A and B. So it says find the value of the missing variable. Well, if M is the midpoint, we know that AM equals BM. And AM is 4. So let's replace AM with 4. And then BM is 2s plus 6. So let's replace BM with 2s plus 6. And then we're going to solve for s. So we'll subtract 6. So we get negative 2 equals 2s. And then we'll divide by 2. And we have a final answer of s equals negative 1. Okay, number 2 is similar, but it takes one more step there. Okay, so in number 2 it says use the diagram below to find the value of x and y. So what's really cool about this is we know that we have a perpendicular bisector. And we have a perpendicular bisector because right here this shows us that this is a right angle. Well, if this is a right angle, then that means this is a right angle. So this 4y minus 2 is equal to how many degrees? How many degrees is a right angle? 90. So we would just set 4y minus 2 equal to 90. And now we can solve for y. So we'll add 2. So we get 4y equals 92. Divide by 4 so we can get y all by itself. And 92 divided by 4 is 23. So we found y. That one's done. Now we just need to find x. So if we look at what we have over here, remember when we did the notes on this, if there's tick marks, that shows that two things are congruent to each other. If they're congruent, we can set them equal to each other. So we can take 3x minus 6 and set it equal to 21. Now we can solve for x. We're going to add 6 to both sides. And then we'll divide by 3. Get x all by itself. So x equals 9.